So guys, this is GBP the Great British Pound against the United States dollar. So I woke up this morning and I saw this beautiful setup. This is actually 15 minutes time frame. So I've done my analysis on the higher time frame. So I'm only here at the 15 minutes time frame to take my entries, as you can see. Now let me show you the reasons why are we going short on this trade. So if I go to a 30 minutes time frame, you see, you can agree with me that GBP have been buying throughout this week. Even last week, we have been on on a bull run all along. So I think it's time for the market to reverse. So I spot something that looks like a triangular pattern. Look at it. A triangular pattern. You see, on the 30-minute time frame. It's even on the 1 hour time frame, it's still the same thing. If you look at it, yeah. See, this is a 1 hour time frame. This looks like a triangular pattern. And if you spot it very well too, you see something that looks like a double top. And you all know that a double top is known for reversal. It's a process where the market forms equal highs. Then the market has failed to break above the previous highs, which means the market, the buyers are exhausted, and it's high time the bulls the BS are about to take over. So that's what I spotted this morning on GBP So I decided to wait for an extra confirmation. So I had my trend line drawn. I drew my trend line, which is this trend line, and I plot it out. So this double top is still staring at me in the eye. You can see this and this. So what I'm doing is I waited for the market to break the zone here at this spot. Let me draw so I can show you. This video might be a little bit long, but you have to bear with me because I have to show you something. So that next time when you're trading, you should know the things you should be looking at. So I wait for the market to break at this zone. Look at this zone here. We are just plotted, yes. So the market broke at that zone, it came down. So what I'm doing, I'm waiting for the market to retest. Anytime the market break a trend line like this, anytime a trend line like this is broken, there's always a retest. So as a break and retest trader that I'm only waiting for a retest. I've plotted my zone. You can see this place that I have this yellow bar. Why did I have this yellow bar here? Now let me show you the confluence that I see that makes me have that yellow bar over that one. Let's go back to 15 minutes time frame so we can have a better view. Now look at it now. Okay, hold on. So as I was saying, I cannot take any trades without having an extra confirmation. So as you can see, before I take any trade, I always use what we call the Fibonacci retracement tool. Fibonacci is the only tool, the only indicator that I used for extra confirmation in my trade, in my chart. So I look out for, so I will now take the indicator, the Fibonacci, draw it from the swing high to the swing low. Since I'll be looking for a downtrend, so swing high to swing low, you can see it's okay. Free plotted. Now look at this zone here. Look at the figures here. We have the 0.5, 0.618, and the 0.786 and their respective prices. Now I only want to buy to sell where a lot of people are putting their stop loss. So a lot of people are looking at 0.618 to sell at that zone, while some other people are looking at 0.5 to sell at that zone. Now, mind you that the market makers, those who manipulate the market, know very well that a lot of people will be going in these two places, here and here, and they might be probably putting their stop loss here. So they will want to come in and trigger the stop loss, then come back down. So I want to put my entry at where many people are putting their stop loss. So that is why I have my own interest at 0.618, 0.786, sorry, waiting. So I've already set my sell limit at this point, waiting for the market to trigger it. So that is what I'm seeing this morning. As you can see, the market is still dancing around, it's still moving around. So I'm only waiting for the market to get into this yellow bar. Now my stop loss, you can see, it's about 20 pips above this place. So just look at my stop loss, 20 pips above my entry. So it will be hard for the market to go here and hit me out. So that is it. That's how I trade. That is how I do my trading. That's it. So let's just wait. And somebody want to ask me, what if the market doesn't get there, bro? If the market doesn't get there, then I don't get into this trade. Okay. It's either it gives me a confirmation or I don't trade. It's better I don't trade at all than trade and lose my money. So